Visual Paradigm Animated Explainer comes with a large library of sound effects. When editing your video, press the audio button on the left-hand side toolbar. Select sound effect under audio type. The effects are organized into categories. Press the play button on the sound effect can let you preview it. Press the add button in the sound effect to add it to your video timeline. You can adjust the start of the sound effect by drag it along the timeline. Press the preview button can let you see the entire scene, with the sound effects you added.
Mrs. Appleton and Lily enter the kitchen and start cooking.